Let us see this question. It's a question of BITSAT PYQ of 2022. So it's more of a recent PYQ in 2022. So it's a very interesting question, and in the question we are given that if the sum of coefficients in the expansion x plus y to the power n is 1024, then the value of greatest coefficient in the expansion is, if the sum of coefficient in the expansion of x plus y whole power n is 1024, then the value of greatest coefficient in the expansion is. So the formula of binomial expansion is summation r is equal to 0 to r is equal to n, ncr x to the power n minus r y to the power r. But this formula is not being used in the question because there is a trick to solve it. Like when we talk about the sum of coefficient, then to find sum of coefficient for sum of coefficient for sum of coefficients, put x equal to y equal to 1, because see, when we put x equal to y equal to 1, then we have to put the value of x equal to 1 and value of y equal to 1, and when we put x equal to 1 and y equal to 1, then the expression becomes the sum of the coefficient. Like for example, if I have x square plus y square plus 3 xy plus 3x, then we can see that sum of coefficient, if we ask about sum of coefficient, then it's 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8, so it becomes 8. Now do one thing, put x equal to y equal to 1, then it becomes 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3, which becomes 8. So for solving the 8 and for finding the sum of coefficient of any expansion, just put x equal to y equal to 1. So putting it 1 plus 1 whole to the power n, it becomes the coefficient, sum of coefficient. 1 plus 1 is 2, so 2 to the power n becomes 1024, and 1024 we can write it as 2 to the power 10. So from here we can conclude that n is equal to 10, so the value of n becomes 10. So we have got the value of n. Now we need to find the greatest coefficient in the expansion. Now remember another trick. The trick is that for any given binomial expansion, the value is least, then it increases, it becomes maximum, it again decreases and becomes again least. So if we go from left to right, first it increases, becomes maximum, and again decreases, and this whole process follows symmetry. And since here we have got n is equal to 10, so the maximum value will occur at n is equal to 10 by 2, that is 5. And now see one thing that we have got, for maximum n will be equal to 5. Now do it like this, that the actual n is 10. See, the actual n is 10 and the given value of n we got is 5, that is the maximum. So for our case r is equal to 5, because we have to check the maximum value of the coefficient, the greatest coefficient. So for us r will be equal to 5 and n will be equal to 10. Now put it in the given expression, that is ncr 10c5. So we have asked to find the coefficient, so it's the value of coefficient, that is 10c5, that is so see, 5 to the 10, 4 to the 8, 3 to the 6, 63 into 4. So answer will be 252. Let's check it. 4 3 is 12, 6 24, 25. So 252 is our final option, that is option number B.